You've received your nose spray. Now what? Let us guide you through how to properly use a nasal spray so that you get the best results. Shake the container to ensure the medication is mixed well. Remove the cap and set it aside. If this is the first time you are using the spray, you'll need to prime the pump first. Hold the spray away from your face and depress the sprayer a few times until you see a fine mist coming out. When you are ready to use, hold the container upright and tilt your head slightly forward. Insert the tip of the spray just inside the nostril and angle it slightly outward, pointing it toward the outer edge of your eye. This ensures the medication gets up into the sinuses and not just to the front part of the nose. Depress the plunger to release the mist, and then you can gently sniff in. Do not snort the medication right as you spray it. If so, most of the medication will end up going down the back of your throat. Replace the cap until the next use. We hope this has been helpful, but if you have any questions about your medication or how to use the nose spray, please text or phone us at 703-779-3301.